Welcome stackers! I want to give away from Talking Bullion. Stay with me to see what it is. I also have an announcement to make you will likely enjoy. Talking Bullion was doing a giveaway and I was lucky enough to win one of the prizes. Unlike the other giveaways that are drawn, it is required to guess and answer first. I am not a lucky guy in general, but knowledge and thinking, that I can do. So let's open this puppy together. Okay, I still need to get myself a nice knife like everyone else, but for now, this should do. This thing is pretty unwieldy. There we go. I love these giveaways. I am working on a concept to add one to this channel for you guys. If you have any ideas or suggestions that would make mine cool, write it down in the comments below. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Doesn't seem to be any personal information. Let me have a peek. Oh God, wow. Okay, there's a lot more than I was expecting in there. Okay. So first, sorry about that, my phone rang. Okay, so here are some of the stickers. Still need to get mine done. I need to find a supplier that can make them. That's very nice. Okay. All right, doesn't seem to be any more, any information that needs to be hidden away. Wow, I was expecting one coin and there's 3 in there. That's amazing. Thanks, TB. So he's saying, "Hi Silverholic, congratulations on the GAW win from our live stream. Since it's your first US Constitutional Silver, I decided to include some extra. All 90%. Take care, Mr. and Mrs. Talking Bullion." Well, thank you very much. It's very, very nice. Really looking forward to looking at these coins. Let's remove them from the envelope. There we go. Okay. All right. Here's the dime. And it looks like a quarter. And probably a $50. Running out of space here. See if I can force my phone to focus. There we go. All right, so let's have a look at the dime. So that's 1957. I don't know what those are called. I don't know if those are the one that they called barber dimes. Don't know that face, who it was. Maybe someone can let me know in the comments below. It's a very nice piece. Those are in excellent condition. Very happy to have received them. So now if we have a look at the quarter, that's 1964. Again, I don't know what those are called. Is that Washington? Maybe Washington? No, I'm not sure actually who that is. So again, if you know, let me know in the comments. Thank you. And the $50. That's a beautiful piece. So 64, I believe that was the only year that pieces were made. It was right after Kennedy was killed. And after that, if memory serves, they changed the coinage. They stopped using 90% silver. So maybe there are Kennedy pieces after 64, but that would be lower grade silver maybe. Anyway, I'm not an expert on it, but that's from memory. So if you know, again, you can let me know in the comments below. But again, this is a very beautiful piece. It's in excellent condition. I don't know exactly how to grade coins, but I don't see a lot of damage on this. It's pretty nice. So these are my first 3 constitutional silver pieces from the US, thanks to Talking Bullion and Mrs. Talking Bullion. So thank you both. It was a real nice surprise to see the extra silver that I was not expecting at all. So you guys should have a look at their channel. Lots of great videos on there. So what's coming this week? First, there will be an unboxing from my latest purchase. Then, on the regular upload day, Saturday morning at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time, will be the second Community Spotlight video. People really love the first one with Silver Joker, and for good reason. That guy is awesome. I think you will love the second guest too. I won't spoil the surprise until I put the premiere announcement up on Friday night. Unless my guest decides to inform you on his own channel in the meantime. So I hope to see you in a few days for the unboxing, and until then, remember that if you're not stacking, you are failing.